In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use BCC in Outlook, a valuable feature that helps maintain the privacy of email recipients. Understanding how to use this feature effectively can improve your email management and ensure your communications are as discreet as necessary. So let's dive right into how this works. To begin, you'll need to start with a new email. You can do this by opening Outlook and clicking on New Email in the main menu. Once you're in the New Message window, take a look at the options available to you. You'll see several tabs at the top, and for our purpose today, you want to focus on the Options tab. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the Options tab, you'll notice a button labeled BCC. Clicking on BCC is your next step. Once you've clicked it, you'll see the BCC field appear below the CC field in your email. It's important to note that once you make this field visible, it will remain visible for any future emails you compose, making it a convenient option to have at your disposal whenever you need it. Using BCC or blind carbon copy is quite straightforward, but it serves a very valuable purpose. The key benefit is that it allows you to send emails to multiple recipients without them being able to see who else received the same email. This is particularly useful for sending out newsletters, announcements, or any email where privacy is a concern. To use it, you'll simply enter the recipient's email addresses in the BCC field. You can do this by inputting each email address individually, separated by a semicolon if there are multiple addresses. It's perfectly fine to leave the TU field empty, but if Outlook requires it to be filled, you can put your own email address there. This approach keeps the identities of your recipients hidden while still meeting any technical requirements of the program. Once you have all your recipients set in the BCC field, proceed to write your message as you would normally. Make sure your subject line is clear and your message is concise. Once your email is drafted to your satisfaction, go ahead and click Send. Your email will be dispatched to all the recipients in the BCC field, each unaware of the others. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to maintain discretion while sending emails in Outlook. Using BCC not only respects the privacy of the individuals receiving your emails, but it also keeps your communications clear, concise, and professional. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.